So you need to send a parcel on an overnight or international delivery, and you want to make sure your parcel arrives undamaged. We're here to help. Follow this simple step-by-step process and package your items like a pro. First, make sure the items you're sending aren't on our dangerous goods list. These include perfumes, nail polish, aerosols, cartridges, and fireworks. Next, find a suitable sized box to fit your item and ensure it's in a good condition. Cushion your items using bubble wrap, foam balls, or polystyrene chips to minimize movement in the box. If your item is fragile or breakable, for example electronics, glass, or ceramics, you should use extra cushioning for extra protection. A padded envelope works well, and liquids should be securely sealed and placed in water-resistant packaging. Next, seal your package with a durable tape on both the top and bottom of the box. Clearly label your goods. Top tip, don't forget to include your job number. Book your CitySprint courier online or by phone, and bingo, your item is delivered. By following these simple steps, you can really reduce the chances of your parcel being damaged.